Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Hello. Today on Get Veganized we're going to make carrot dogs. Yummy carrot dogs. I'm going to turn these into carrot dogs. It's going to be wonderful. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to peel the carrots. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the ends off and then cut them about the size of a hot dog. Alrighty, so I have three about size hot dogs. Then we're gonna trim them up a little bit. Alright, that's so you get the idea. Kind of round like a hot dog. Now I'm gonna drop them into boiling water and boil them for 5 to 7 minutes until they're pierceable with a fork but not real squishy. Okay, while that's boiling, I have 2 tablespoons of maple syrup in a bowl here. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. You can use the low sodium if you'd like. 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke, which is a flavoring. Gives it that smoky flavor. And I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Then a squirt of some mustard. I like to use the spicy brown mustard. A little salt and pepper and some garlic powder. Your preference. I like mine a little garlic. Okay, then we stir this up. Alright, looks good. Now when the hot dogs come off the stove, I'm going to put them in a bag and put the marinade in with them and put them in the fridge for probably 3 or 4 hours so they marinate and get nice and tasty. Alright, we're back, and here are the carrots. They've been boiled and cooled. I ended up boiling these for about 15 minutes because of the size. They're kind of extra large. Here's my marinade. I poured it into a Ziploc bag and we put the carrots in. There we go, we zip it up, massage it around a little bit, and then we're going to put it in the fridge for about 3 or 4 hours. Okay, this is Chef Bugsy for Get Veganized, and here are my carrot dogs on the grill. I'm going to put them on here for a little bit of dark lines, some lines like real hot dogs get, and when they're finished, I will show you the finished product. Alright, here they are off the grill, all finished and ready to go. I will dress them between some bread and show you what that looks like. Okay, and I'm back, and this is the finished product. I have some sweet pickle relish, some spicy brown mustard, and some ketchup. And this is what they look like. Enjoy your meal.